Hey, welcome back to another episode of Midnight Science Club. Here we are in the garage behind the studio. So we're going to do a little experiment today. You've seen a swimming cap before?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to time how long it takes for you to put on this cap.
3, 2, 1, start.
There you go. Get that shower cap on. He's approaching his head. He's getting it there. Getting it there. He's got it down there. He's got it down over his head. How long was that?
11.33 seconds.
I want to be able to do it in half that time. We're going to use an alternate method on you. Would that be all right? Do you have one up there?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, I'm going to put a spare down here in case we need to mop up the blood or anything. You turned that inside out, right?
Of course.
Okay. Godwin, you got the timer going?
Yep.
I'm going to fill this up with water. I turned the cap inside out. In case we have an accident, everybody say goodbye, Ethan.
Goodbye, Ethan. Goodbye, Ethan.
Because you never know, and thank you for donating to science the way you have, Dee. And we're going to try to, what is it called? You're studying physics. Fluid, what is it?
Fluid dynamics.
Fluid dynamics, right?
Yeah.
If this works, and he drops that over his head, what's going to happen?
It should fully envelop the head.
Fully envelop the head, because the pressure of the falling liquid will be there. Maybe go up a little higher. What are you thinking? About that high?
All right?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, that one didn't work. Okay, we'll try it again.
I didn't get that way though.
No, you didn't. get that wet.
I think I got more wet than you
Try
did.
it again. It bounced up, so we have to go a little higher this time.
Takes two.
Okay, now tip your head forward. You got the,
So like right here.
no, you're going to drop it right about the
Yep,
circle.
right on that crown. Just
Right on
bang.
that crown. Blow them brains right out his ears.
3, 2, 1, go.
Almost!
It literally did the exact same
I went forward.
but it went forward.
It hit my face.
Like it was about. It literally went to engulf his head and then went nah.
Like, nah, dude.
Keep it stretched as much water as you can get it. You set up straight this time. See, because what was happening, you got your head out there and then your head would go down like that. See, you got to keep your head from going down.
Oh, you almost did it.
Okay, one more try. If this doesn't work, then we'll
No, this one's gonna work. This one should work right here. I'm done with this game.
okay, we got it. I'm learning because we're not experts at this. And thanks for volunteering. Give me a handshake, wizard thing. Hey, what's happening? You got it. The only thing I think we could do is we could drill a hole here and mount a clip.
You know, I like that idea.
We'll be back with this. We're not quitting. We failed our first attempt.
First.
No.
We failed. You stick with us, and we're going to find out why this didn't work. We got an idea, don't we? A little more meat on the bone here.
Can I get a 3, 2, 1?
No. All right. This should be. Boom. 3, 2, 1.
Success. Oh, maybe success?
Yeah, it's definitely on your head. It's on your head.
Be like, let's do 5 more.
We're gonna try one more.
All right, who made the mess out here in my garage? What is going on?
Becky.
Hair's mostly dry.
Mostly.
Please don't drop this one right here.
Maybe I want to drop it on you.
All right.
You got a nice sized cranium right there.
There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let her go. Hey, look at that. Get my hand. Perfect. Look up. Let me see your smiling face, Beckett.
That's my smiling face.
The whole Speedo logo's out.
Very good, man.
The whole
You did
Speedo
good
logo's
there.
out. Let's get it.
Sweet. What if we tried something other than water?
Oh, no thanks.
Well, for science.
What's that?
Huh? Well, here of H2O, this has just got a little extra H's with it.
But what is it?
Not really.
It's not extra H's.
But what is it?
Oh, I got some ox. Look. H,
Wait. Well, what's the other one say? Does that say
look,
nitric acid?
Hydrogen is just, like it's in water, right? Hydrogen is in water.
Nitric acid, no thanks.
That's not nitric. Well, I wouldn't do that. You feel that about half full water there.
About half
Yeah,
full.
oh, don't get that on you. Don't get it on your fingertips. You notice it doesn't eat through the plastic.
Is that all you're doing?
Thank
I'm
goodness.
gonna do 2 bottles.
Okay.
I'll do a double bottle. Yes. You think? Yeah. Come on. Is that gonna fill it, or we need some more water?
Yeah, I think you're good actually.
We're gonna drop that on you, Beckett, and let me get out of the way because I don't want to ruin my good shirt for a second. Here we go with HNO3 nitric acid. Drop. 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. Beckett. Oh, Beckett. Well, okay then. Better go get the insurance papers. Well, we successfully demonstrated something. Do you have any idea what we demonstrated?
Getting wet.
Getting wet is one. There's one thing, an odd way to get wet. Anything else we demonstrated?
How to kill Beckett.
Well, we weren't successful.
I
He's still
mean,
here.
I'm still mostly here.
Was that really nitric acid, by the way?
I don't think it was.
I
'cause
know
I'm
it was
still
not
here.
nitric acid. That we just did that to razz the people that are watching, a little bit.
And scare
That
me.
it scared you a little bit? Good, that's good. I like to torment the wits from time to time. No, that was just water. That was not nitric acid. They don't need to send in emails or anything like that. I wouldn't waste good nitric acid. It's expensive. And,
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Papers are not fun.
No, but there was a scientific concept that getting that cap to land on your head, how did water know where to push when? How did it know to do that? Well, say the words fluid dynamics.
Fluid dynamics.
Yeah. When you put pressure at any point on a system, it will be felt evenly all the way around. Hydraulics, if it's with water, fluid dynamics, and it's really neat. Even though it landed on your head, that water, the force of that water spread itself out very uniformly. Put that cap right on your head, just almost perfectly. And that's a demonstration of fluid dynamics. And maybe we'll do some other demonstrations to explain how pressure is translated, and that means passed around. Yeah, distributed in a fluid, and that'd be something interesting to discuss further. So we will. This was pretty cool.
For you guys.
Pretty cool. Just wait. If you like this, they would find us where?
Patreon.
Patreon,
Facebook.
TikTok.
Face Talk.
I said TikTok.
Oh, TikTok. Okay.
Instagram.
Instagram.
YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah, we're all
And
over
the
the place.
county jail.
Oh, yeah.